Choosing the right difficulty in Stalker can make or break your zone experience, so let's dive straight in to figure out which one suits you best. First, we have Novice. This is your story mode. Enemies are weaker, resources are plentiful, and you can soak up damage like a sponge. Perfect if you're here for the atmosphere and story, or if you're completely new to the Stalker universe. Next up is Stalker, the recommended difficulty. It offers a balanced experience, providing a decent challenge without being overly punishing. Enemies hit harder, resources are a bit scarcer, but it's still manageable for most players. Veteran difficulty is where things start to get serious. Enemies are tougher, more accurate, and resources become significantly more limited. You'll need to carefully manage your supplies, plan your engagements, and utilize stealth effectively. Finally, we have Master. This is the ultimate Stalker experience. Expect brutal combat, scarce resources, and enemies that can kill you in a few shots. Only recommended for seasoned Stalker veterans looking for the most hardcore challenge. Ultimately, the best difficulty depends on your skill level and what you want from the game. If you're unsure, start with Stalker. You can always adjust the difficulty later if it's too easy or too hard. Good luck in the zone, Stalker.